Looking for 3D modeling software? Today we are having a look at Blender. We're also having a look at Moon Animator. We want to know what they offer and why you should be using one over the other for your specific use case. So ladies and gentlemen, Blender is free and free software is awesome. Let's check exactly why Blender is a cut above the rest. So with Blender, you can discover the world's most powerful open source 3D creation software that is revolutionizing digital art, and it has been for a very long time, animation and also game development across many industries. So why are people choosing Blender and why should you choose Blender? Some of their advantages, of course, is the 100% free and open source. This means that there's no licensing fees or subscription costs, and there's constantly improvements by passionate global community members. And these are developers and artists who understand what your creative needs are. Also, it has cross-platform power, so it runs on Windows, Mac, Linux, with Python scripting support for completely customized workflows and automation. And then it's a complete creative pipeline. So it's literally everything you need in one package, including modeling, rigging, animation, simulation, rendering, compositioning, motion tracking, and even video editing capabilities, all in one space. And then literally from hobbyists to Hollywood, Blender is something that's been used by literally everybody. Some of their powerful benefits and features include their advanced creative tools, right? So you have professional sculpting brushes, realistic physics simulations, dynamic particle effects, and very precise camera tracking for stunning visual storytelling. It also has industry-leading rendering. So Cycles and Eevee engines deliver both photorealistic ray-traced images and lightning-fast real-time previews with cinematic effects. Their optimized workflow is a customizable interface. They have keyboard shortcuts and Python automation tools to boost your productivity and adapt to your unique creative process. And then it's a thriving ecosystem. There's thousands of tutorials, there's free plugins, active forums, and regular updates to ensure there is continuous learning and expansion on the features. Okay, so Moon Animator now we are jumping into, and it's revolutionizing Roblox animation. I want to just give a big old shout out to all my gamers out there. Moon Animator is transforming your creative vision into stunning animations with the most powerful and recognized animation plugin in the Roblox ecosystem. From simple character movement to more complex cinematic sequences, Moon Animator is empowering developers to create professional-grade content. Now, having a look at why are you to be choosing Moon Animator above all else. So first of all, it's versatile and powerful. So it just goes beyond Roblox's built-in editor with support for complex animations, whole scene management, as well as non-character rigs that push creative boundaries. It is an industry-recognized tool, so it's nominated for the 2024 Roblox Innovation Award and celebrated as one of the most downloaded plugins and trusted by thousands of developers worldwide. It also has a thriving community, so you can join an active Discord hub connecting thousands of developers and animators for collaboration, learning, and sharing your creative techniques. The last thing over here is some of their key features and their benefits. So how is it actually going to benefit you? So it's got a mirroring and onion skinning. So this creates smooth, consistent walk cycles and achieves precise frame-by-frame editing with advanced visual aids. It also has an easy weld and props system, so you can easily, seamlessly animate objects interacting with characters through simplified attachment systems. And then their camera animation. They have integrated camera controls which enable cinematic storytelling and professional machinima production. Lastly, Moon Animator supports extensive customization through their UI presets and powerful add-ons like Lunar Sound for integrated audio experiences, making it a complete animation solution for ambitious creators. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Now you've seen the best of the best. The takeaway here is to go and try all of the software that is available. See what actually works for you specifically. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.